Hi, everyone. This is Catherine Bell with Titan Impact Group, and I am here to share with you more about who we are and what we do. So our whole mission is to leave every person, property, and community better than we found them. It's a big part of who we are and what we've done all these years and what we will continue to do. It's something we're very proud of. So who is Titan Impact Group and the team? So this is me, Catherine Bell. I have quite an extensive background with real estate investing, from being a founder and CEO of a real estate investment hedge fund. I have bought and sold many investment properties, done buy and holds, Airbnbs. I'm a builder and a developer. I own a mobile home park, a private money lender, and note investor. We've done lots of things. I have the privilege of mentoring thousands of people across North America in teaching them my favorite thing, which is do the numbers, and the numbers tell you what to do. So I love teaching that. And my heart is all about getting all the adoptable children adopted within the U.S. foster care system. So I have a foundation around that. My partner, Steve Wall, he has been a real estate investor and business owner for well over 20 years. He's also a general contractor, and he's owned and managed several mobile home parks. He's actually won awards for being a community planner and taking distressed properties and turning them into lucrative opportunities. And he is an avid historian and art collector, and has quite the collection and loves spending time with his family. We actually have something for him called the Wallseum, which is a lot of fun. Laura Miller is also on our team, and her and I have worked together for decades. And she's been a real estate investor for decades as well. She does a lot of buy and hold. She's also had Airbnbs, done fix and flips, done wholesaling. She's also a part of being a builder and developer with us, a private money lender. Her whole genius really is about using technology to be able to speed up everything that we do and pull all of our teams together. It's pretty awesome. So who is Titan Impact Group? We are in Scottsdale, Arizona. And we focus on buying and selling non-performing notes, also known as NPNs. And we deal directly with banks and hedge funds. Our team has also done well over 600 real estate investment deals combined over the past 10 years. These are actually some of the projects that we've done. We put a little map together, which was a lot of fun. There's more across the US, but these are the ones that are clustered here in the Valley. So our sole focus right now is to buy distressed debt from banks at discounts that we all love to see. And my favorite thing is that we become the bank. And what I mean by that is my very first real estate investor mentor, what he had shared with me is that you can play multiple roles inside of any real estate transaction or business transaction for that deal. So you could be the buyer, the seller, the realtor, the title company, the contractor, the subcontractor, the bank, of all of those. He asked me, what's the most secure position? And if you go back and you think about playing the game Monopoly, well, it's the bank. The bank is the most secure position. And so he gave me the inspiration to become the bank. And that's exactly what we've done. So that's been a whole lot of fun for us. And that's what we're giving our investors and our team members the opportunity to be a part of as well. Take advantage of our systems and structures and reap the benefits of being the bank. So we prefer properties that are underwater and that are owner occupied, because we like to work with these families and be able to keep them in their homes. So we were all heavily impacted by what happened back in 2008. So this really reaches to the core of who we are in our hearts. We are in primary and secondary markets. You can see them there. We are also looking for assets that are valued between 50 to 250,000. That seems to be our sweet spot for residential assets, and commercial between 250,000 to $1 million plus. So whatever that looks like, that's another sweet spot that we have. So we are not wholesalers. We are not fixers and flippers. We are not landlords, and we are not joker brokers. But who we are is we are buying for our own portfolio. We like to add commas to ours and our investors' bank accounts. Again, a big thing that we do is we do the numbers, and the numbers tell us what to do. This gives us clear direction on what to do with every single one of the assets. And the core and the heart of who we are is that we do leave every person, property, and community better than we found them. So part of our team, we have an extensive team. The core team is myself, Steve Wall, who's our investor relations, Laura Miller, who is operations and our portfolio manager. Linda, she's our accountant. Juliet helps us with our marketing, and we have extensive vendors that work with us all the way across the country. So a huge team that helps us with that. One of the things we love is that our team loves to play together. So we've actually been really good friends for decades now, and you get to see this is our family. We actually have gone to lots and lots of places all over the world together. So definitely playing together makes a big difference inside of what we do. So some of the team professionals that we have, more people on our team, is these are the companies that work with us to be able to provide amazing customer service for our customers and keep everybody on track. So again, I don't need to be the smartest person on the team, but I certainly need to have the smartest people on my team. And that's exactly what we have collectively here. So what we focus on is with the notes specifically is properties that are valued between 50 to 250,000. We want to avoid long foreclosure markets. Again, we prefer to have assets that are occupied with payment history. We will offer cash for keys if necessary, and we will foreclose, unfortunately, if that's our last option, which we don't want to do. And then we're going to we're going to turn around and get the asset performing, and then we turn around and package them up and sell them off to a hedge fund or another bank and just continue the process. So the turnaround time on this is anywhere from 18 to 36 months for our investors. So this is what a re-performing note generally looks like. So, it's generally a little house and somebody who's, for whatever reason, gotten behind on payments, and now it's considered as non-performing. So our team is able to work with the family and get them back on track and get the note performing. And then again, turn around, package them off and sell them to a bank that can continue taking care of this family. This is an REO. So unfortunately, sometimes for various reasons, we do have to foreclose. And so if that happens, then we are able to sell the property pretty quickly for a nice profit, and then get the investors back their money sooner than later. We also do small balance commercial as well. One of our team members, he is a commercial broker and has extensive experience inside this area. And so we are having a lot of fun doing that as well. So our loan portfolio, they come in pools, and we, again, do the numbers, and the numbers tell us what to do. And that's how we determine which ones we're going to bid on. And then, of course, which ones we're awarded, and then partner with our investors to be able to benefit from being the bank. So some of the other ongoing projects that we have as a team, we actually have a residential development that we've been working on for the last couple of years. We have several properties. Homes now up in Taylor, which is really great. We are also working on a condo development up in Snowflake. And if you want to learn more about that, please reach out to me. We have medical offices that we are currently contracted to create and get up and going. We have a tenant that has already agreed to sign on a 10-year net lease with us. So we are also looking for partners inside of getting more of those going. So we're very excited about that. And of course, we have commercial industrial development here in Phoenix Valley ongoingly as well. So if you have any interest in any of those, learning about that, please reach out to me. I'm more than happy to share more details about that with you. So we are actually working on this portfolio right now as of today. So it is a portfolio of 171 assets, which is a $16 million portfolio. So what that allows for is quite a few investors to be able to come and play with us and benefit from being the bank, and just, you know, springboard off of using all of our system structures, teams, technology to make sure that their money goes out there and brings back lots of friends. So 6 important things is our number one goal is to make sure, again, that we rehab the borrower. We want to keep these families in the homes. This is really important to us. We only buy first liens. We only buy below market values, so 70% or less. Our vendors do review the files and titles to make sure everything is clean, and our vendors handle all the servicing and foreclosure for us. Again, we don't need to be the smartest people on the team. We just need to have the smartest people on the team. And one thing I like to say to our team is, if it's your genius, it's your job. If it's not your genius, it's not your job. So all of our vendors, this is their specific niche and their genius. And so we have them run with it and, you know, take care of our customers, you know, in the most extraordinary way. And then of course we have insurance placed on all of our assets, of course, because we need to make sure that it is protected for us and our investors. So what we're looking for is we're looking for potential funding partners, people that have cash, savings, 401ks, self-directed IRAs, real estate investors looking for average returns, any tired landlords, REO investors who can't find deals, fix and flippers who are tired of flipping. I flip well over 500 properties, so I get that. That's why I love being the bank. And people who are just looking to put their CDs or IRAs to work. Again, we always talk about making sure you're sending your money out there and having it come back with lots of friends. And that's exactly what we help our investors do. So we'd love to continue the conversation with you. So please give us a call, and I'd love to discuss your goals and your expectations. We know that everybody is not a fit, and I'd love to discuss some of the available opportunities that we have. So you can go to my bit.ly link to create to schedule a call with me, or you can email, or you can just call, or you can go to our website. So I do look forward to learning more about you and what your goals are. And maybe if we're not a fit, I can absolutely connect you to a better opportunity that is a fit for you. I'm always more than happy to do that. So with that, I hope you have an extraordinary day, and I look forward to hearing from you and learning more about what's important to you. Thanks. Have a great day.